Okay, so then this next part, I'm going to show you how to create bins. All right. One of the things that you really do not want to do is just have one central bin and then throw everything into that bin. In terms of project management, that would be a recipe for disaster. All right. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this video. All right. So video is going to be the first bin. All right. The next thing I'm going to do though is I really do want to create a series of bins. So I am going to create a new bin, and this bin I'm going to call music. Alright, so I've got my video, I've got my music. I'm also going to create another bin, and I'm going to call this audio. So that way I could bring in audio that I recorded using a Zoom recorder or some other kind of digital recorder. Alright. Next one I'm going to create is photos. Alright, that's just in case I bring photos in. And let's see, need titles. And last but not least, probably also the most significant, sequences. Okay. So now we pretty much have everything that we're going to need in terms of bin creation. As your projects evolve, as your projects become more sophisticated with later classes, video is going to change. Alright, so with video you're probably going to have interviews, and then you're going to have B-roll. Alright, for audio, again, you're probably going to segment this because you're going to have nat sound. You're also going to have things like your recorded interviews or any kind of dialogue from a project that you're recording with a microphone and an audio recorder. All right. Sequences also may change depending on whether or not you're creating sequences and then you're nesting those sequences in a master sequence. All right. But I don't want to get too far ahead. Just for right now, audio, music, photos, sequences, titles, and video. That should be fine. And again, I'm going to stop this video, and we'll go into bringing in some video clips.